y'all. So I have one more video for today, and that is, I'm super excited. It is our July/August, because this is a bi-monthly subscription, Test Tube Beauty. I really enjoy this subscription. It is a skincare subscription. So we are going to dive in and see exactly what we got for July and August. And how awesome is it that this is the July/August, because like I said, it is bi-monthly box, and I got it on July 1st. It came today. Yay! All right, so I've had some coffee and now I'm like, woo! So it did come in a different box. I did take that out of the box. So again, this is the test tube powered by New Beauty. Awesome. So we get this little pamphlet that will go over and tell us everything. So let's go ahead here and read what it says. Happy summer. The temperatures are hot, and so is our July tube. Awesome. Whether your goal is to lengthen your lashes, smooth under eye bags, or brighten your skin, or all of the above, yeah. Who are we kidding? We've got effective solutions that really deliver on their claims. Heading on vacation? Don't forget to pack Bare Republic's non-greasy mineral skin sunscreen that will shield your skin all season long. Sans chemicals. This is starting to go over products in here. This sounds good. There's more. Flip the page to see everything we've selected to help you look and feel your absolute best from head to toe. And it does say you can follow them on Instagram and Facebook. All right, so then we are going to go ahead and we're going to get in here. Now there was one product outside of the box. I didn't really look too much at it, I guess because of the size it would not fit. So we will find this first. All right, so this is the Sanitas Brightening Peel Pads at-home peeling treatment. It's got 50 pads right there. And this you can buy at sanistas-skincare.com. $74. It's gonna give me a new face. Lord have mercy. What it is, a professional strength corrective treatment with active acids that eliminate excess oil, exfoliate, and even skin tone. Each jar comes with 50 convenient cleansing pads that come pre-prepped with the right amount of product, so application is foolproof. Use one pad morning or night and swipe over face, neck, and décolleté. No need to rinse after. Let the solution soak in and follow up with your favorite serum and moisturizer. $74. This subscription, I will put the pricing and a link and everything down below for you guys. But it's like $40-ish with shipping and everything, because they do charge shipping. And our first product is $74. That's a no-brainer for me. Just saying. All right. Sorry, y'all gonna have to deal with me being all goofy today. I do want to remind you guys before we get into the actual tube here, we do have our 3,000 subscriber giveaway going on. I did post that video just a little bit ago. I will put a link down below, so if you have not already, definitely check that out. It is a pretty awesome giveaway, if I do say so myself. So, all right. So yes, test tube. We're gonna get in here. Wow. I smell fresh, natural. I smell that like skincare smell. It's pretty awesome. What is that? Like eucalyptus or lavender, chamomile, something. I smell that natural smell. We just got one of these in, I think it was glossy box. Like, what's the deal with these? This is, it says bonus. That's me. Bonus product, the new Traceless Hair Clip, the Waver from Invisibobble. Right there. It's at $8. Okay, I'm thinking somewhere down in there is actually a set of the actual hair tie Invisibobbles, because it says $8 value. This says bonus product, so we just got one of these, like I said, in our glossy box. So it's kind of like a bobby pin, but it's invisible and it's not supposed to leave a mark in your hair. So we got this guy. Let me see if I can find the other, because like I said, is that it right there? Yes. Okay. So yeah, Bye Bye Kinks, the Traceless Hair Ring. So here we have a pack of 3 black Invisibobble hair ties. So this is what they're saying is the $8 value. These are like popping up everywhere. I've seen them in FabFitFun. Like I said, the other one was in Glossy Box. They've been, I believe, in Allure. They're popping up everywhere. They do hold your hair really well, so that is a plus. Okay, so let's move along. Now, this was the item I had to pull out to get to the Invisibobbles. All right, so what are you? New Lash Enhancing Serum. Where to buy? SkinResearchLabs.com, starting at $95. Are you kidding me? You better make my lashes like touch my forehead or something. A powerful once-a-day serum with peptides that strengthens lashes and delivers nutrients in the blink of an eye. Apply each night before bed to the upper lash line for fringe so fantastic, friends will want to know your secret. Once you start to notice improvement, switch to every other day application. $95? It is safety sealed. I'm serious. This better make my lashes touch at least my eyebrows. So this is the actual product. $95. Lash enhancing. That just blows my mind. All right, moving right along. So the next product here is the Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen Lotion. GoBareOutside.com, $14.99. Bare Republic's lightweight mineral SPF 30 defends against UV damage and is loaded with antioxidants and moisturizers to help nourish and protect skin. It says apply a dime-size amount of the product after your favorite serums and moisturizers in the morning and 15 minutes prior to sun exposure. So this is a facial sunscreen, which it says on the box. So I'm actually really glad to have this. Free of active chemicals. Awesome. It is cruelty-free, non-GMO, TSA approved, gluten-free. Says intense hydration and reparative benefits to help keep your skin looking its best no matter the season. No parabens, no active chemical sunscreens, no synthetic fragrance, no worries. Shake well. So that is awesome. Water resistant. So I am super excited to have this. And again, I'm so glad that it is just really good for our skin and the environment and all of that good stuff. So yay. All right, so here we have our $74 pads. They were the next item. And so let's move along. Here from Daily Concepts, which I do like, is a charcoal multifunctional soap sponge. And it is $8 and you can get it at Ulta. I'm showing you guys the backside. So that is what it looks like. This 2-in-1 soap sponge infused with charcoal cleanse and smooth skin in a single swipe to save you time. Wet the sponge with warm water and scrub in circular motions to gently remove the outer layer of skin. Oh, so it's not just, because Daily Concepts usually is like a sponge or something. So this is kind of like Daily Concepts meets Spongel, where it is a Daily Concept sponge, but it's already got the soap and stuff in there. That is awesome. I'm excited to use this. And I like that it's small, so you can literally, like, you know, do what it says do. Awesome. I really like this subscription. This test tube is so awesome. All right, so we have, let's see. Next, this is from Skin Actives. This is their Ageless Collagen Serum. You can buy this from skinactives.com for $20. This vegan formula does everything from minimize the appearance of wrinkles to even out skin tone. Pat into clean, dry skin morning and night. Avoid rubbing or smoothing into skin, as this can lead to the formation of fine lines. I am really bad for that. I know I need to get better, but I like to like rub and get stuff in there. But I know that, you know, that's what you're supposed to do. And I do want to say, now if I get really close, I feel like it doesn't show up. I did receive today in the mail the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer from BoxyCharm. Someone used my link to sign up. And you guys, I'm telling you, my under eye, you would not know that it is like 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I've been up since 4:45 this morning. So I've been up for about 12 hours. I did not sleep that well last night, and I don't think you can tell. So that stuff is awesome. So yeah. So we got some serum here. Awesome. Keep saying awesome. All right, the next product is this right here. Lids by Design Contour RX, transforming appearances. Medical grade instant eyelid correcting strips. Contours RX, Lids by Design, and Precision Tweezers. You can buy this at contoursrx.com for $29.95. An eyelid correcting strip that recontours the look of heavy hooded eyelids in seconds. Using needle nose tweezers, place the Lids by Design on your natural eyelid fold to support excess skin and create a more youthful and bright appearance. Do what? Like... So... There's 20 of them in here, it says. So that would be 10 uses. You get 2 eyes. Lids by Design works instantly to improve the appearance of eyelids, lifting and correcting, taking years off your appearance. Can help you achieve incredible results that you can see. Hypoallergenic, medical grade, latex free. And it does come with a little pair of tweezers. That's interesting. I don't know about this. I'm gonna have to like read up some more on this to see exactly what it's supposed to do, I guess. But it's interesting. That's one thing I love about subscription boxes. You get stuff you didn't even know existed. And you get stuff that you would not pay for, like $74 or whatever it was for these brightening peel pads, and then wasn't something $90 some? What was it? The Lash, yeah, the serum. That's $95. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, and we do have one final product, you guys. This box tube is absolutely worth it. All right, so this is from. Is this that smell? This is from Genucell Plant Stem Cell Therapy for bags and puffiness. Camo NYX Essentials Collection. Excuse me. BetterSkinToday.com, $89. $89. A powerful treatment for under eye bags, puffiness, and fine lines. After thoroughly cleansing your face, gently massage the product into skin, underneath and around the eyes in a circular motion. Apply morning and night for best results. $89. Y'all, that is crazy. So the value is 110% or like 300% there. So I will put a link down below. It's not a referral link. They actually don't have a referral program, not that I'm aware of. But I do still think this is a fantastic subscription. You definitely get your money's worth. So I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. Like I said, this is for the July, August, like I said, because it is bi-monthly. Today is July 1st, so yay for getting it on the first day of the first month. Awesome. So again, this is the Test Tube Beauty. Let me know your thoughts down below. What was the product that is most intriguing to you? I am definitely gonna say the Lash serum. For $95, like I said, my lashes better go up to my eyebrows. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Like I said, don't forget about that 3,000 subscriber giveaway. That link will be down below. It does end on the 17th. The winner will be announced on the 18th. I wish you all good luck. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you at the next one. Bye.